episode 44 out of 122, Smart Money to Blockchain Freedom. Welcome back. Today's date is the 19th of October, 2025. Yes. So I'm sitting on CoinMarketCap at the moment. This is a project I am promoting. It's called APTM is the blockchain. And you can see the price at the moment is 77 cents. And we are ranked at the moment 527 out of 9,445 on CoinMarketCap. But actually, there's many more cryptocurrencies out there, right? There's 25 million, right? So just to give you a perspective. So it's quite nice to come down to CoinMarketCap because here you can look at the top 10 coins. You could, for instance, you could look at BNB. You can go and have a look at the price at the moment is 1,118. You can also have a look at a chart, the all-time chart, and you could actually have a look at the price whenever you want. And this is when I like to introduce dollar cost averaging, right? Because people say, David, what should I invest in? So I say, well, go and have a look at the top 10, right? And then you could look at BNB. And imagine you dollar cost averaged into this like over the last 5 years, right? Where you put a little bit of money over a long period of time, like £100 a month for 5 years. Imagine if you did that into BNB, you'd be very happy. Imagine if you did it into Bitcoin. You'd be super happy, right? Because let's go and have a look. Yeah, you can all-time chart. You can go back 5 years, right? And then you can actually have a look and you could say, okay, $10,000 5 years ago. Imagine if I put $100 a month for 5 years into Bitcoin. Your portfolio would be massive, right? So there's potential, okay? And go and have a look at ChatGPT and go and say benefits of dollar cost averaging, if I can actually spell. Okay, let's see what it's got to say here. So dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, for example, every week or month, regardless of the price, right? So it reduces emotional investing, lowers average purchase cost, builds wealth consistently, reduces risk of big losses, works well in volatile markets, easier to budget, compounding effect. So dollar cost average, right? Pick a coin, pick two, $50, £50 a month for 5 to 3 years. Forget about it. There's many good exchanges you can buy crypto on in the UK. I'm based in the UK. You could always ask ChatGPT, where can I buy crypto? Where are good exchanges? I mean, Revolut is one, for example. There's another one called Kraken. And you can buy a little bit every single month for 3 to 5 years and just forget about it and build your portfolio. So that is one strategy that's super, super powerful. Then there's something else that I want to show you. Something called a DEX, which stands for decentralized exchange. Please tell us what are the benefits. So let's see what it's going to tell us. Benefits. So a decentralized exchange is a type of crypto exchange that allows you to trade directly from your own wallet. Okay. No middleman, no bank, no company holding your funds. Here are the key benefits of using a decentralized exchange. Full control of your funds, self-custody. So the bank's not in control of the funds, you are. You keep the crypto in your own wallet, no stored on an exchange. This means you own the private keys, the passwords for your assets. Can't be frozen or hacked from a central server. No middleman. Trades happen peer-to-peer on the blockchain. No need to trust a company, bank, third party to manage your funds. If you want your money, you can take it out straight away, 24/7. Awesome, eh? Most DEX do not require no KYC process, meaning you don't have to upload your passport, your documents. It's private, right? Which is cool. You can trade without giving up your identity or personal data. Isn't that good? Access to a wider range of tokens. DEX often list new emergent tokens before they appear on centralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges are more controlled by governments. They're more controlled by that site. If the decentralized exchange goes down, you lose all your money. So transparency is key, right? All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, fully visible and verifiable, which is cool, right? No hidden fees or manipulation. So I wanted to tap onto that because we're going to go and have a look at a decentralized exchange right now. Now, I am promoting a token called APTM, and at the moment the price is 77 cents that I mentioned. And you go into your research, go and have a read here. APTM is a leading general one-layer blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem built to deliver high performance, scalability, long-term sustainability. It is fully EVM compatible, enabling developers to easily deploy smart contracts, scale decentralized application dApps without additional coding. So I'm going to show you a dApp now that's built on the APTM blockchain. That is quite cool. We've also got we've got some awards here you can look at. Designated key general blockchain in the Avalanche Tier 1 ecosystem. We've got a community sentiment of 83%, profile score of 87%. So where's this price going to be in the next 5 years? So I'm going to show you also dollar cost averaging into this as well. And also going to show you that you can also use DeFi models, and you can also use our robots, AI intelligence on accumulating this coin. So how do we do that? So here's our dApp, okay? And the cool thing about this dApp is that you can actually purchase one of our products. So what do we have here? We've got a 2-in-1 offer at the moment. It does end on the 30th of October 2025, but there will be more promotions. So you just got to be mindful of that. But I'm going to show you what's active right now. Is how cool would it be if you can buy a trading bot, okay, that can buy low, sell high, and accumulate more of these tokens for you. How cool would it be if you could get a mining bot to mine these coins for you as well? Okay, so this is great. I mean, where do you think the blockchain industry is going to be in the next 5 years? The growth. Why not let's have a look at ChatGPT. What is the growth going to be in blockchain in the next 5 years? Let's have a see here. Here are some of the recent estimates for the blockchain market size and growth. One study by Markets Project, the global blockchain market will grow from about 32 billion in 2005 to about 393 billion by 2030 at a compound annual growth of 64%. Another report, the business research company sees the market reaching USDT 220 billion by 2029. So look at this. Yet another estimate, SkyQuest Technology forecasts hitting USD 1.3 trillion by 2030. So you see, there is so much potential and growth. So my recommendation to you is put this in your high risk portfolio, APTM, register an account with a DAO one. I'll put some descriptions down below in the comments, in the description on the YouTube. Grab yourself some of these robots. Smart trading bot, trading on automatic, and get one of the smart mining bots on automatic and accumulate these tokens as much as possible. Okay, so thank you for watching for episode 45, Smart Money. Come back tomorrow for 46 and catch you soon. Bye-bye.